climb right up.
You're here.
Oh, sorry. You're right here by
You
the
can.
puddle.
Yeah, don't sit in the puddle.
Don't sit in the puddle.
All right, there you go. That's better.
What beer do you want, Bruce?
Oh, it doesn't matter. Whatever you
There's
pick
a
is
Bock
fine.
or the Bohemian?
Either way.
I think you like the Bock, didn't
Yeah, I do. You want a beer?
What is that?
I thought
is a
I thought it
beer
was going to
opener.
work well, but it's actually
Perfect.
Yes, okay.
Thank you.
That's a cute little
took a
bottle.
while. Man,
Have a taste.
what a day!
It was a big day. Yep.
What a productive day!
Yeah.
It was.
In the fact that we got Reed to go up the mast for us. Cheers!
Cheers, guys. There you go.
I'm good.
Yeah.
Cheers. Yay.
Cheers.
So we got the halyards back.
That's amazing. I feel like a sailing boat again.
Wow, that was so stressful for the
I
last.
thought that's the one we're gonna do last.
Yeah, because we didn't have a solution. But yeah, I just put out a message on the WhatsApp group, and we had 2 guys volunteer. But the first guy said nope. But yeah, Reed had a plan, and it worked
You
well.
did
So
a
cool.
wonderful job.
What else did we get done?
We did a lot of grinding today.
You were grinding the fore, the front crossbeam.
Yep.
Used to have paint on it.
Yes.
And the idea is it won't have paint on it now. It's just going to be aluminium. So that's cool. And around the tramp edges, come up with some plan to minimize corrosion coming back there. Just got to get into that. Are you going to do that tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
I
That
don't like
should
that
not-
ladder though.
Oh, you know, it's fine.
Maybe I'll go rent one of them platforms. They were better, weren't they?
Oh, you know, honestly, I didn't notice a profound difference. Maybe just less time going up and down the ladder.
Moving
right?
it
So,
around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But otherwise, I mean, it's stability-wise fine. I mean, it's not a big deal.
I'll get a platform tomorrow.
Okay.
What else do we do?
The catwalk.
Yeah, catwalk's getting.
Catwalk's paint.
The cockwalk's getting painted.
Yeah.
Um,
So you
yeah,
did well.
Kim has evidence of that. I felt like we did a lot, but now I can't think of anything.
You were working with the solar panels.
So yeah, we got the Boujar V flexible solars, and they are really impressive actually.
Yeah.
Much better than I thought. So I had flexible solars, I had 4 of them, 100 watties, and I just used to tie them on the tramps. When I needed the extra boost, put them on the tramps. And they were cheapies from China.
Right.
I don't know what, maybe I paid $70 or something for 100 watties, you know, which is not that cheap anymore.
No.
Solar's really cheap these days. Like $1 a watt is about what you average. And I'd come back, or you know, the wind would get up a little bit, and I'd notice them flogging a bit on the tramp, and I thought, they'll be fine. They're not fine.
No.
They're supposed to be
lose.
flexible,
Yeah.
but they cracked and broke
Oh.
and stopped working.
Then that's it. Yeah.
So I threw them away. These ones, I'm not going to let that happen because we're going to glue it to the deck. And I was pleasantly surprised to see that they're textured. So the shouldn't be slippery. Like,
Right.
yeah.
Yeah.
And you can walk on them, obviously. Whereas,
hurt, yeah.
whereas the rigid ones, we've had kids jumping up and, you know, on the panels and
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a vagabond kid.
yeah.
Oh, right.
It was Lenny.
Oh, Laney.
Anyway, yeah, no problem anymore with
Yeah.
the flexibles glued down. I
good.
want more actually. We could put them here.
I know, right? 'Cause
Maybe-
you got-
Yeah, they could go right there. Yeah.
What else did we do?
They drilled a lot of holes. Then
Yeah,
we,
so drilled out the holes for the tramp securing lines.
that was necessary since putting the.
I just got to get more line. I got to buy a new line for that.
Yeah, that line was pretty.
So
trashed.
we got to repair the old tramps. Unfortunately, Ferrari mesh hasn't come through for us. Repair these. It's actually an 11-year-old boat now.
Yeah.
11-year-old plastic. Try and sew that, and see how long we can make this mesh last.
It will last until we go back to Philippines, maybe.
Yeah, it probably would.
I would say so.
It's showing no sign of getting weak. It's actually getting tougher,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
which scares me about trying
Yeah.
to sew it. But what else we do?
Well, it was a lot of tedious work with the sanding and stuff, so that takes time. It doesn't look like a lot, but it was a lot.
I guess,
That's
yeah,
it is.
just that the
Yeah.
biggest win
Yeah.
is up there.
Yeah.
Well, no longer up there, it's down here.
Yeah.
It's actually fun to watch.
Yeah. That's a huge burden lifted, I suppose, at the end of the day.
Totally.
Yeah.
Totally. All right.
It's important to have sails.
Yeah, for a sailboat anyway. Yeah.
You know.
Well, tomorrow we'll see what we can get done.
Yeah. Tomorrow's another day.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Good work.
Yay, yay.
Chink, chink,
Good job.
chink.
It still works fine.
little fridge, but it is 230 volt, right? So we're swapping over to 120, and then we're going to go to Europe. Does that make any sense? No. But anyway, we need appliances. We need a microwave. What else do we need? Well, we've already changed the hot water to 120 volts. So we're going 120. Can't convince us otherwise. Because we've already bought a new fridge, right? So this one's coming out. And, you know, it's 10 years old. It's just seen a bit of salty air. So these are only $100 or $150. So it's no big deal to toss it. So this is just a fascia, which is glued on. So I'm just going to slide a blade behind that. Cut that off.
Ooh, Spider-Man.
Does anything a spider can. I think I used a bit too much glue on this corner. So I know someone's going to be saying, why the hell are we using a fridge like this? And there's one answer. Convenience. Yes, they are horribly inefficient. Yes, they spill all the cold air every time you open the door. But that chest freezer, the one that, you know, man, you can't get anything out without taking the whole thing, and everything you want is at the bottom. And anyway, this is convenience. And yes, I've seen the expensive fridges that have drawers and stuff, but we don't have the room for that. Drawer up here is never going to work. My little wife won't be able to reach it. Not a hope in the world. So, lithium batteries, solar panels, big alternators. This is what we have the convenience for. We don't have air conditioning. Let us have the fridge, will ya, Jesus? That was a big door bear. Won't be doing that again. A little dab will do ya. Hey, I know what we can do. Run a competition. Whoever buys $5 in merch or more gets to win a 230 volt 10-year-old fridge. Prizes from Life on Jupiter. So this guy has lasted pretty well. This one's 230 volt, of course. That's why it's coming out. In the last month or two that we're sailing, it started misbehaving. It just started drawing huge current until the inverter just shut down. So something wrong with it, and we got a new one. Prettier one too.
That's actually the only one fits on this hole, and it's 0.9 cubic foot. Yeah, this is the biggest size that it can fit here, so not much option to choose. So this is actually only a microwave. That's it. No convection oven or air fryer, which I like, but we cannot have it.
Yeah, this cabinet was actually made for a Smeg oven. It's the right size for a Smeg gas oven.
I want Smeg.
I know. We don't use an oven very often, you know, but we will use a microwave every day. So we decided to not buy the $1,500 Smeg oven, just buy a $100 microwave. Make sure there's nothing valuable. Ah! Quit job, go sailing!
I thought there's something in it.
No, it's from, I tested it last time we were here to make sure it's still buggered, and it is.
Yeah. Bye.
Do you remember last winter we were here? I was laying on this water tank trying to find out where it was leaking from. It was making no sense to me because the tank would be half empty, yet there was water leaking along this crack at the top. And I was just bewildered about where this leak was coming from. Of course, could have been this hose, right? And I've checked this hose over and over and over. There was some leaks, fixed them, still leaking. Last time we were here, a month ago, I found where it's coming from. Can't believe it. So relieving to find where the leak is coming from, but it ain't fixed yet. So what it is the sink. So this is the pipe coming, from the sink hole, okay? And then this is the through hole there where it goes out to sea. Down in here is wet. I don't know if you can see through your TVs there and your mobile phones, but down in there is wet. So last time I was here, I just simply tightened up the hose clamp. Got a couple turns out of it. It's very difficult to get into. I got a little tiny spanner to go onto that, and I just got a couple turns, but it's still leaking. So I'm gonna have to take this off and maybe just clean it all up. And I actually don't like this flexible hose. It's so convenient to join the sink to the through hole. So convenient, flexi hose, right? But it's really not safe. It's not seaworthy plumbing. There's a weird angle there, I don't know if I can make something more solid out of PVC. Being solid, it may be at risk more so because of any sort of flexing. I don't know, maybe it's okay with PVC. There's a bit of give there, yeah? So I'm going to take this hose off on a day where we don't need to use the sink at all, which is never, and try and come up with some better plan to make this safer and stop leaking. Such a relief to find the source of the leak though, yeah. Jeez. God, it was doing my head in. I was losing sleep. It was beating me. But I'm on top of it now. Well, that's all I need. Take it out. Have you ever come across a microwave with a safety door? I can't believe, normally you just push, right?
Yeah.
No, you gotta push the side. It's ridiculous. So, I'm worried the wall is gonna be here. We can't even get our finger in. But let's try. Here we go. Yep, can't get your finger in. It's gonna have to poke out like that.
Yeah.
I can't easily do it, and then the door doesn't open fully here because of this wall.
Yeah. We can find small.
I wonder if I can just disable that,
It's a child.
hold it in. It was the only one in the whole of Phoenix that fits. That's not true. There were other ones, but you didn't like them.
Well, small, like 0.7. Smaller than that.
Smaller than that.
I don't like small.
Maybe I can try and disable that stupid button. Always feels painful to do that. What you got to do? So this extension cord is already running through up to the power outlet up there. So just join these up, plug her. Can't plug her in. Not yet. Because we've still got 230. Don't plug it in. But I can join it up. Let's join it up. So my solution, I'm just going to try it. I should be able to fix it if I bugger it up, but I'm just going to hot glue this sucker in. We don't need this child lock or whatever they're calling it. I mean, that'll work. Okay. Perfecto. So I'll just put some more there. That'll do us. Job done.
Can you try it again if it works? Yeah. Yes. Just be
Just need a
careful.
little non-slip under here, but
Yeah.
we'll get that soon. And one day I'll make a nice wooden surround, so it's pretty. Looks all ugly right now because the cupboard doors are off. Because when we came to Mexico, right, and just so dry here, all the wood just blew. warped. So the cupboard doors are no longer straight, they're like weird. So we need to get back to the tropics. Get some moisture in his wood, and it'll go back to the way it was. Probably. Fridge is coming.
Yes.
In case you're wondering, it looks like rock or something. It's the foam, yeah, it's the insulation foam. So it's just a little bit dirty, a little bit rusty, a little stained, a little salty, whatever. It's fine. Oh, the aluminium looks really nice under there. Certainly no issues with corrosion. So good. Fridge is coming. Go and get it.
Heavy.
Can you tell me where my feet are, please?
Yeah. Shit.
No,
Okay.
it's not that heavy.
You can see.
There's no beer in it yet.
Oh
I heard a scrape.
no.
Yeah, there's a little.
You can put magnet.
Yeah, magnets.
Hey, you can see that scratch.
Pretty good fit.
I know. A little bit smaller.
It's 1 centimeter or just under half an inch smaller, so perfect. And we put this guy back on. That's fine.
Just a little space is fine. Can you try to open it?
Wobbly.
Wow. Beer holder.
All right.